So how many of you are familiar with table header formatting in eazyBI? Only a few hands, really? Really? And how many of you are using it? Only Martin is back there. So only our team is using it. Okay, that's very nice, very good. So I will show you this dashboard. So it's regular dashboard, yeah, nothing special there, but you see there are some columns, rows that are aligned in two lines, so a bit weird. So we can go to the report. Where can we manage the table header formatting? And just scroll this few pixels. We can do it with each column and save the report. So, and we go back. Now we see, oh, nice, it's in one line. So we fixed that, and it will be in every size. So it will be in a fixed width. So that's nice. We could also like maybe emphasize issues created and issues resolved, so we better know which is which. We can go here, go to this header formatting menu, and for example, make issues created blue background and issues resolved, of course, green. Apply, save, and when we go back to the dashboard, yeah, we have nice colors. So Raymond already basically described everything I will show you. In the first slide, I will just remind how it works. Of course, as you see here in this report, the cell formatting still works. And when we go to the report, we can like emphasize the weekends. For example, we go here again, we maybe change the color to red and bold, as in all calendars. Apply, and do the same for Sunday. Red, bold, apply. And now we better see where is weekends. And of course, yeah, I need these two hands for this. Sorry. Yeah, if you hold the Shift key and drag the columns, they will all resize with the same width, and we can store it like this, and maybe now the columns are wider, we can align in center everything. No, I pressed the wrong one, just Saturday, but I want all of them. Apply and save and go back to the dashboard, and yay, it works. And of course, yeah, it's maybe too bit wide, but you can then adjust it again and make it smaller. And of course, Gantt charts have the same table, so the formatting works the same way in the Gantt chart. You can change the background colors, change alignment and width. And of course, you can also emphasize any row you want. For example, some specific scenario where you need to show one specific project, you can like make it stand out like this. But that's not all, and Gerda will tell you about the rest of the Gantt chart options.
And it will be my mic, because I need two hands. Okay, I will not emphasize this one, so that's clear. But I want to make those headers in two lines, otherwise they are split in three. So, as you see, Gantt chart very gray, not looking maybe very sophisticated, but you can add completion rate. And when you add any percentage measure to the Gantt chart, it will color the bars depending on the percentage. So we can see completion rate. And here I need to manage to get to this one because I don't want the percentage to be on the separate line. And okay, actually I will just concentrate more on the Gantt chart. No, this is a teamwork. No worries.
I prefer this.
Okay, no. Yes. Because I cannot move. Okay. You are following me, but okay, let's do like you. Now I will have to follow the mics and I will move this one. No. Thank you. So, okay, so can you hear me I'm speaking. Oh, can it be a little bit? Yeah, you can hear me. Okay. It's always strange with the mic. So basically, the colors are based on the progress, and it is red if the due date, end date of this bar is in the past of today. First thing, let's make today brighter, because otherwise it's not clear where it is. Now we can see where we are today. Next thing, of course, we can apply different this overdue color. We can change it, but I can also display. When I do it, it's gray. And the group color is the one that is used for the rest of the bar. That is, like if there is 60%, it is green, like based on the progress color. I can change it as well, but the rest is either gray or blue. And the blue, we can see if we expand the grouping, as you can see the blue colors there. And what we can do here, we can apply conditional formatting. For example, I will ask assistant, use issue end date and color the bar red if it is in the past, or orange if it is in the next 10 days. Let's see how long it takes. Demo effect maybe, but it is thinking. So basically, I can apply the custom formula here and color the rest of the bar as I want, based on the conditions. Either it is some percentage left, or combination of due date and percentage, or based on the assignee status, or whatever other requirements you might have. And soon it should provide me with the answer. Well, it provided. Let's load the formatting. As you can see, it references the issue end date I asked and uses the relative range, yesterday, today, 10 days from now. And I apply it. And apply here. And you can see, magic. It is now colored as I asked. That is one of the new features that we have. And another one is milestones. Milestones can be defined as date fields in the report. And in the Gantt options, I can select which one I want to show, and I can select as well the color of it. So the third one I don't want to apply. And as you can see, now the Gantt chart has some dots that can identify those milestones I added. And the last, there could be some go-live date or some milestones that applies to all of the project. And there's an option to use highlight. And let's pick this purple and apply. And you can see here another line appeared. So this is the latest features in the Gantt chart and how you can make them look really nice and combine all different requirements you can have. Of course, there is again monthly that has been there as well. But yeah, this was what I wanted to show you. And I hope you will explore this functionality and provide some feedback if you have in those 2 days, or write to support at eazyBI. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, this is what I wanted to ask, if you have any questions. Yeah. You will need to catch this one. But don't be afraid, it's soft.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Okay, my question is, I suppose that is simple. How can I add the baseline in the timeline? You know, the baseline is the first day or the tentative date for a project, for an issue.
Like you have to add the date to the table, and then you can highlight it?
It's not only add the column. Let's say, for example, in another tool like Big Picture. In Big Picture, you can add the baseline. The baseline is the first and the end date.
Okay, yeah, that we don't have, because this is like a set of functionality we have. So maybe you can show me exactly how you imagine it, and I will check if we can make it already, or we need to, add some improvement in our backlog?
Okay,
Okay.
perfect.
Thank you.
Okay.